Every workshop of fishing lab needs to start production work after the morning meeting. The head of the workshop summed up the deficiencies in yesterday's work at the meeting, and arranged today's work priorities and set points for attention in the production of fishing lamps. This is the most confidential technical workshop of fishing lamp factory. Staff need to be cleaned 3 times before entering the studio. There are strict requirements for humidity, temperature and cleanliness in the air. In this studio, cell phones have no signal. Technicians will produce high-quality fishing lamp emitting tubes according to product requirements. The qualified fish lamp luminous tubes will be sent to this workshop for welding. Staff need to undergo strict cleaning before entering the studio. In this studio, the staff needs to connect and assemble the light emitting tube of the fishing lamp with the weekend lamp shell at the initial stage. This workshop needs 1800C flame, which perfectly fuses the shell and wick of the fishing lamp. In addition to specific professional technical knowledge, staff also need great patience and care. In this exhaust workshop, it is necessary to completely remove all impurities in the fishing lamp before injecting rare gas. The service life of the fishing lamp is also affected by the purity of the injected rare gas. After installing the lamp holder, we also need to carry out aging test on the fishing lamp. In addition to referring to the data displayed on the instrument, the staff also need to wear sunglasses to observe whether the light emitting tube is normal. If the light emitting tube of the fishing lamp floats, we will regard it as unqualified. This is the parameter testing room. We have the most advanced testing system in the industry. All fishing lamps must pass through this detection system to determine whether the parameters of the product meet the standards. The staff of this spectral system will conduct calibration tests every other week to ensure the accuracy of test data. 中国集鱼灯烫论